Welcome. Today we are diving into responsive web design, the secret to websites that look great on phones, tablet and desktop. Think of it like an adjustable chair. It changes shape to fit whoever sit on it. Responsive design means building a single site that adjusts automatically to any screen, big or small. No need for separate mobile or desktop version. It's all about a smooth, user-friendly experience. Just like a chair that adjusts for your height and comfort, responsive website adapt layouts, images and text to fit the device. It's used everywhere from online store to news website. We use media queries like this one to change layout styles when the screen is small. Flexible systems like Flexbox or CSS Grid help elements move, resize or stack as needed. The result, a website that works for everyone everywhere.